Hi, super amazing Mustang. Fly bypass, Clacton Air Show. Summer's weather forecast UK 25. Actually, yeah, press the thumbs up, right, so that screen right a minute. Wow, it's weak as man. And it comes back again. You can see it. Oh, it's out there somewhere, it's gone away now. There it is, it's flying around, here it comes. You can see it. Tighten the mountain distance at the moment, it's approximately 18 minutes to, you name it, 1600 PM in the afternoon, 18 minutes to 4 PM in the afternoon. Here comes the plane, look at this, it's the Mustang. What a sight, what a sight. Go, 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 Mustang. Go, Mustang. So there's no Lancaster on today. It's been, it's got a radiation problem with this radiator engine. Won't be flying. Squash on, flying there, jabs from YouTube. Mustang. I try places to go places. Mustang playing. Well, he's squashed around San Jones. Maybe.